Saving lives is part of their job, but during last week's winter storm, 2 Kentucky State troopers went the extra mile to help a patient at UK Hospital. New at 11, Garrett Weimer talks to nurses and one of the troopers about a very special delivery.
Outside Markey Cancer Center, the snow is disappearing. Their gratitude isn't.
It's a huge deal. It can be life or death.
Nurses say one of their patients needed chemo, but with all the snow Friday, they couldn't get it from Louisville.
So the state troopers jumped in. 2 of them went down to Louisville and brought the chemo back in order to get it here in time for the patient to have the chemo so that we could keep his transplant on track.
Trooper Chris Martin picked it up in Louisville, then handed it off in Frankfort to Trooper Kaylin Hall. Trooper Hall says the trip took them 5 hours, but they made it with the medicine.
There were several cars off the roadway that we had to stop and check on, pull people out. The snow, it was definitely, wasn't on our side.
Nurses say what those troopers did was huge because medication like that can't wait.
Timing is everything with these patients because if they miss a dose, then they're off. They could be off days, and days is essential to them.
Trooper Hall knows about that all too well. One reason he volunteered to help. He lost his mother to cancer 3 years ago this week.
This time of year, it's hard for me because it was a single mother that raised me, and this is kind of a way I think of her saying, hey, do something good for what people did for me while I was in the hospital.
In Lexington, Garrett Weimer, WKYT.
Well, that indeed was a special delivery. UK Healthcare thanked the 2 troopers on a Facebook post that has received nearly 3,000 likes, 700 shares, and more than 100 comments from other folks thanking them as well. Trooper Hall says the hospital also showed their appreciation by taking them to the UK basketball game tonight.